Quick update on our project. As I mentioned before, we're taking out a section of this wall. It's really going to let a lot of light in from that area and also help us communicate with guests. I mean, if you look at this, when we're in here on the stove, we can now see in the living room. I can track the football game or whatever's going on. This is going to be so much nicer. We did have to make some changes, electrical. The fireplace switch got moved here. There'll be a little counter along here as we add a little receptacle here. So we got a little charging station right here if we wanted to. The power for the stove came up this wall, so I needed to loop it around and go back up in the attic, put a junction box up in the attic. That hole will be an easy patch. Once those cabinets are reinstalled here, that patch will just be behind that, so that'll be simple. The hood, we're gonna do an island style hood here, so that'll be kind of a neat little feature. The receptacle here, there was another one matching it there. That had to get moved around here, which is also why I added that receptacle back there. I needed an access hole to make that route. So that other receptacle actually gave us access for that. So that was a convenient place to put a hole and then just plug the hole with a new receptacle. The other thing that we had to do is we had a 3-gang switch here. And so we went up and over and we added it here. Here's a little quick tip for you guys. Once you figure out what circuits go to which box, just write that down somewhere, either on the box itself or on the back side of the plate. And then that way, if you ever need to go back in there and make any changes, you know where at the breaker panel to go get it.